Hello! Today we are going to see 10 unknown creatures of the sea together. Number 1.
Bareli fish, also known as the spookfish, is a fascinating and unique creature found in the deep waters of the world's oceans. It belongs to the family Opisthoproctidae and is named after its distinctive barrel-shaped, transparent head. One of its most notable features is its tubular, upward-facing eyes, which are enclosed in a transparent, fluid-filled dome. These unique eyes allow the Bareli fish to look upwards while remaining mostly hidden beneath its transparent head. This adaptation helps it to spot prey and potential threats in the darkness above, where only faint rays of sunlight penetrate. Bareli fish are not strong swimmers, so they usually remain motionless and rely on their specialized eyes to detect and locate prey. They primarily feed on small invertebrates, such as jellyfish and zooplankton. To capture their prey, they use a unique strategy: they gulp water into their large mouths, which creates a suction force, pulling the prey in.
Number 2.
The Dumbo octopus, also known as Grimpoteuthis, is an extraordinary creature that lives in the deep sea. It gets its name from its resemblance to the adorable Disney character, Dumbo the elephant, as it has two large ear-like fins that they use for swimming. These fins give them a graceful appearance as they propel themselves through the water. Dumbo octopuses are considered to be one of the deepest dwelling of all known octopuses, and can be found in oceans around the world. They live at depths of up to several thousand meters, where the water pressure can be extremely high. Their bodies are well adapted to these conditions, with gelatinous skin and a compact form that helps withstand the pressures of the deep sea environment. Unlike other species of octopuses, Dumbo octopuses do not have an ink sac for defense. Instead, they rely on their ability to change color and blend into their surroundings. This camouflage helps them avoid predators and stay hidden from potential threats.
Number 3.
Vampire squid, scientifically known as Vampiroteuthis infernalis, is a fascinating and enigmatic deep-sea creature. Despite its name, it is not actually a squid or an octopus but belongs to a separate order called Vampiromorphidae. This ancient animal has been around for over 300 million years, making it one of the oldest living cephalopods. The vampire squid inhabits the dark depths of the ocean, where the pressure can be extreme and the temperatures are near freezing. Its unique adaptations make it well-suited for this environment. It has large, black, orb-like eyes that can detect even the faintest traces of light in the near-complete darkness. One of the most striking features of the vampire squid is its webbed arms. It has 8 arms with 2 rows of finger-like structures known as cirri. When threatened, it can cover its body with its webbed arms, resembling a cape, hence its name. This defensive tactic helps protect it from both predators and potential prey.
Number 4.
The Yeti crab, also known as Kiwa hirsuta, is a fascinating and unique creature that was discovered relatively recently in 2005. It belongs to a family of marine crustaceans called squat lobsters and is found in the deep-sea hydrothermal vents of the Pacific Ocean, specifically near Easter Island and the Antarctic continent. What makes the Yeti crab so intriguing is its appearance. It has long, hairy arms that are covered in blonde or white bristle-like setae, giving it a somewhat Yeti-like appearance. These setae are used as both sensory organs and as a habitat for chemosynthetic bacteria, which the crab cultivates to survive. The bacteria provide a steady supply of nutrients through a process called chemosynthesis, allowing the crab to thrive in the nutrient-poor hydrothermal vent environment. Despite its unique features, not much is known about the lifestyle and behaviors of the Yeti crab. However, scientists believe that it likely feeds on organic material such as bacteria and detritus present in the hydrothermal vent ecosystem. It is also thought to be a relatively slow-moving creature, using its hairy arms to filter feed and capture food particles.
Number 5.
The blanket octopus is a fascinating and beautiful creature found in the world's oceans. It gets its name because of its unique appearance when it spreads out its long, flowing web-like arms, resembling a floating blanket or cape in the water. These octopuses are known for their vibrant and striking colors. The female blanket octopus is particularly spectacular, with iridescent blue or purple webbing stretching between its long and slender arms, making it an enchanting sight to behold. In contrast, the male blanket octopus is much smaller and lacks the stunning webbing, but they still possess interesting color patterns. One of the most remarkable features of the blanket octopus is its defense mechanism. Despite its comparatively smaller size, the female blanket octopus has the ability to detach a section of its webbing and release it into the water, creating a distracting illusion that can confuse and disorient predators. This incredible adaptation allows them to escape danger when threatened and shows their intelligence and resourcefulness.
Number 6.
Deep steria jellyfish is a mysterious and fascinating creature that belongs to the class Scyphozoa, which encompasses all true jellyfish. It is named after the deep steria genus, to which it belongs. This unique species of jellyfish was first discovered in 1966 by marine biologist Dr. Henry Fox, who encountered it in the Pacific Ocean. One of the most striking characteristics of the deep steria jellyfish is its translucent and delicate bell-shaped body, which can grow to be quite large, reaching a diameter of up to 2 meters. It has long, thin, and frilly oral arms extending from its central body, giving it a ghostly appearance in the deep ocean. Despite its impressive size, deep steria jellyfish is a passive predator. Instead of stinging its prey like many other jellyfish species, it captures its food by engulfing it within its bell-shaped body. This unique feeding strategy allows it to consume larger-sized prey such as other jellyfish, small fish, and even smaller organisms like larvaceans.
Number 7.
The frilled shark is an incredibly fascinating and unusual creature. It belongs to the family of sharks known as Chlamydoselacidae, and it's commonly referred to as a living fossil due to its ancient lineage. The frilled shark has been roaming the depths of the world's oceans for millions of years. One of the most distinctive features of the frilled shark is its frill-like gills, which give it a unique appearance. These gills extend all the way down the sides of its body, giving it a frilled or ruffled look. It's a relatively large species, with adults typically reaching lengths of around 6.5 feet, 2 meters. The frilled shark has a slender, eel-like body and its mouth is filled with rows of backward-facing, sharp teeth. This unique dental setup allows it to trap and swallow its prey whole, primarily consisting of smaller fish, squid, and other marine creatures. Its hunting style is ambush-oriented, relying on its well-developed senses and strong jaw to capture unsuspecting prey in the deep, dark waters where it resides.
Number 8.
Amphipods are small crustaceans that belong to the order Amphipoda, which includes over 9,000 known species. They are typically found in aquatic environments, such as freshwater, saltwater, and even in the depths of the ocean. Amphipods have a distinct body structure that is flattened from side to side, resembling a shrimp or a small lobster. These creatures are incredibly diverse in terms of their size and appearance, ranging from a few millimeters to a few centimeters in length. Most amphipods have a segmented body with a head, thorax, and abdomen. They possess 2 pairs of antennae, which they use for sensory purposes, and several pairs of legs for locomotion. Some species of amphipods have the ability to jump in water using their powerful hind legs.
Number 9.
The coffin fish, scientifically known as Chaunax pictus, is an extraordinary and enigmatic creature that resides in the deep pelagic waters of the Atlantic Ocean. Its peculiar name comes from its ability to inflate its body to coffin-like proportions, making it look like a floating coffin. It belongs to the family Chaunacidae, which is a type of anglerfish. The coffin fish has a stout, cylindrical body covered in bumpy skin that resembles warts. Its coloration varies from light pink to reddish-brown, serving as effective camouflage on the muddy or sandy ocean floor where it is typically found. At first glance, this species may appear rather unimpressive, but its unique appearance and behavior make it truly captivating.
Number 10.
The Leafy Sea Dragon is a truly fascinating creature. It belongs to the family of seahorses and pipefish, but what sets it apart is its magnificent appearance. With its intricate camouflage, it resembles a floating piece of seaweed, making it almost impossible to spot in its natural habitat. True to its name, the Leafy Sea Dragon has long, leaf-like appendages covering its body. These appendages are not used for propulsion, but rather for providing exceptional camouflage among the kelp forests and seagrass meadows where they live. These amazing creatures can reach lengths of up to 14 inches and are found along the southern and western coasts of Australia. They are known for their bright colors, which can range from yellow to reddish-brown, and their ability to change shade to match their surroundings.